Hello. Imagine like my manager asked me one protocol, just how much I took. Hardly within a fraction of a second I have completed the code. I said if you remember, okay, now what happened? We will write in an Excel file. The Excel file automatically will do the coding. That is what I have done. Where I have written my requirement, Excel only. Finally, what happened? Coding I automatically done. Okay. That is how now the new things are happening. Okay. They want the power of scripting. Scripting, if you know, you can automate anything, man. Anything. See, I'll tell you one thing. Script have so much power. Okay. If you are very good with script, I'll tell you, you can destroy any person also. That much power is there scripting. If you are becoming a master in automation or anything, if you want to spoil anyone, okay, you can spoil anyone. Okay. That much power the script have. Okay. Have an advantage. Okay. If the same person use that his brain for doing a wrong things, he can destroy himself. Okay. It's a huge, I'll tell you now. It's meaning what? You give any kind of data, everything he will do it. Okay. So scripting is very important for you. Okay, clear? Next, see digital physical aptitude, Verilog, Verilog, UVM, PSS protocols you need to learn, then script you need to learn, then something called tools will be there. Okay. See, everywhere you can check only Perl. Perl is the one which they are teaching. But Perl, I myself was using in Intel in 2015 or 16 that time. After that, I never used Perl. Because whichever the new languages is there in the market, you need to always explore with a new language only. Okay. Because old language will be what outdated. With respect to a new technology, a new language will be developed. Okay. So everywhere you know Python, where they will use Python. Hard we need it. VLSI engineer need the Python. Software people also will use the Python. Now you know one thing. Even CA body, chartered accounts. Who are chartered accounts? Engineers or non-engineers? Non-engineers. Even a chartered accounts are recommended to learn Python for their work. Okay, their body will be there. How we have the AICTC body, All India Technical Council of Education is our body. For doctor MBBS is our body. Sorry, no, the one. No, it's not MBBS. Not forgot their body name. Okay. For bank, RBI is one body. Correct. Their body ICMAI something like that. I'm not remember. That body itself will recommend can learn Python for a CA. Even they are a non-technical people, but they are also supposed to learn Python. Okay, if they know Python, their work will be done easily. Now, tools. Okay, so everywhere only Perl will be there, but other no one will teach. Okay, so next everywhere only achieving a cadence, a synopsis, or mental graphics. Okay, one digital simulation tool will be there. Okay, and Perl. They are the only three. But here, only three means no one will. I mean, in industry, you need to learn a lot of things. Example, Python, even extra you need to learn. Then Git, cron time, C tags, make file, meld, tkdiff, gvmdiff, git, bitbucket, confluence. Because see, when you go to the industry, you need to be highly know all the languages, or all the tools and all, so that you need to work like a 3-year level, 4-year level. Keep in mind, confluence page and all. Got it? So these are the tools you need to learn. So language is clear, script clear. Okay, then we call like stages. There will be some stages will be there. Okay. Normally See, okay, what do you call the one? Letter? What do you call this word? What do you call the sentence? Correct. The something called IP, something called subsystem, something called SOC. You know what to learn in your life. What to learn? Finally, sentence. Okay. Ultimately, high demand in the market. See, if you tell example, can I know letters? Anyone will hire you? No, I know words, English words I know. No one. I know how to frame the sentence or anything. Correct. Obviously, if anyone want to hire you for a communication, the person who knows the sentences, they will be hired. Correct. Similarly, you are also supposed to learn IP, letters you need to learn, words you need to learn, sentence you need to learn. Okay. So IP, subsystem, SOC, all the things you need to learn. Okay. If it tells me I'll not learn, okay. See, this is the era. If you are not advanced, no, we don't need you at all. So it's a very clear, straight. So these are the different stages you need to learn. Okay. Yes. So totally like this. IP, subsystem, SOC, RTL, GLS, pattern. Okay. You know, highest opening in the market, SOC engineers. What year they are asking? 2 to 4. How many openings? Okay. You check, go and check in the LinkedIn. You'll get a huge opening. Huge means huge opening. You'll get it. Highest opening in the market. PCI, high speed protocol, PCI, SOC, system on. Okay. You need to know how we do the verification at SOC level. Clear? Any doubt? So we got a clear idea that digital puzzles aptitudes you need to learn, languages you need to learn, protocol you need to learn, scripting you need to learn, okay, tools you need to learn, okay, and different stages that also you need to learn. Any doubt, let me know. So languages, protocol, then script. I'll just summarize once again. Digital example, then script you need to know, DV languages you need to know, then tools you need to know, protocol you need to know. Okay, you cannot escape from any of this. Okay, everything you need to complete. Now I'll just give you one thing. When you take other than mine is huge syllabus compared to everyone. Mine is very huge. The reason is that what happened, you need to know one fact. Okay, there is a fact you all need to, will be going to face. Actually, what happened? Product company means your Samsung, okay, Nvidia, Qualcomm, Broadcom, okay, they are all called as product company. Okay. Now what happened? If imagine you are in institute now, okay, tomorrow you will be hired by any service company. You will be hired. You may be fresher. You may be fresher. They will hire you. Okay. From service company to product company, don't even imagine yourself also. They will be going to send you as a fresher. No one will send you as a fresher. The fact is that, okay, you can go from the institute to any company as a fresher, but the fact is that they will never take as a fresher. No, clear cut. No. The reason is that, okay, you see they have product company Samsung. Do you think they will take a fresher from any tier 2 colleges, yeah? Tier 3 colleges, yeah? Okay. Any remote colleges from Karnataka, Andhra or Telangana or any part of the state. Tier 2 college or tier 3 college, any Samsung, NVIDIA will come. You cannot even imagine. Fresher means why they will take your fresher? Fresher means they will take only from what? Tier 1. Tier 1 means what? IIT, NIT, Triple IT, BIT, VIT, MIT. Okay. So only if you are a fresher from this top college, and you can imagine or you can at least hope something, the big company may hire you. But when you come from a tier 2 colleges, do you think they will hire you? Okay, don't even keep a hope also. Okay. So they never hire any fresher normally. Do you think Samsung have any money constraint? They have a money problem? Okay, for fresher they will give 10 lakh, 15 lakh. Okay, if I'm giving 10 lakh, 15 lakh, you will hire any poor person or from a from rich institute you will go and hire. Obviously from a top institute you will hire it, correct. Even if you are a head of the any body, correct. You will tell him who will go to this college. Okay, let's go to IIT. Correct. This is your mindset. Even all the top companies will do the same thing. Fresher will never be hired buying from the IIT or tier 3 normally. Huh. Example, imagine you are from a Samsung, okay. You are you are a fresher, but have some experience level of knowledge. Do you think there is a chance of getting hired? Hmm? See, now you cannot correct your past, correct your at least future. Engineering, can you change it? No. Your past cannot be corrected. Future can be corrected. Okay. So when you get trained like what? 4-year level, 5-year level, 6-year level. Okay. If you get trained, then only you can imagine like you can work, you can get a job in a big company. Else, 100%. Getting a job itself is next to impossible in VLSI. Okay, you can double check everywhere. People are there in all the institute from 1 year, 1.5 year, then they will get a job. That is what the fact. Okay, so either you need to have an experience level knowledge, or either you need to be fresher from a top time college. So what happened if you are a fresher? Do you think product company now will take a fresher from the service company? No, they will tell why I should I take from here. I'll go to top companies. Okay, I'll take from the fresher from there only. So never ever they hire. So what the service company will do? Service company will take you only. Okay, and they will tell okay, he was working under me from last 3 years, and to you only he will project as what experience level. Okay. Now to the Samsung, what I'll market him and you take this person, they have a 3-year experience. Now, do you think Samsung will verify? Samsung will never do background check. It is the job of background check of service company only. Got it? When I send a resource to him, I never do any background check. Only service company will do the background. If I tell like, hey man, this person is working under me only from last 3 years. Okay. You reject me. How the Samsung will reject? Nothing. Because his paper, I am the one who will create all his paper. 3-year experience level, page clips and all from my company only I'll generate. Correct. So when anyone hired for any service company, they will be projected as experience only. Okay. What is the one more reason? Tell me, listen. If they send as a fresher will never be considered at all. One more reason will be what? If they project you as an experience, obviously billing will be good. Imagine I'll send you as a fresher here and I'll send you as an experience. Then obviously they will charge, they do the billing of 30 lakh rupee example or 20 lakh rupee. Okay, the 3-year experience resource. Okay, do you think fresher and experience will get a same package? No. They will get a billing of 20 lakh, 30 lakh on your name. Normally what happens? They may give you 5 lakh or 15 lakh company will keep. Okay, because company need to do lot of things. Obviously, even that amount will be also less only, because there will be huge expenditure on one person here. So is it clear? So keep in mind, if you tell like I'll get trained only as a fresher, I'll tell you what will happen. You will go to any institute, then from service company, then again you need to come to any institute again. After service company, people do come to the institute again. The reason is that they will not be get trained to crack the product company. If you're not trained to be get to crack the product company, 100% write in your note, you need to come to the institute once again in your life. Okay, invest your money 2 times or invest your time 2 times. Your father have huge money, invest it. Okay, you have huge time, you reinvest your 6 month time again at the institute. So you decide, take only one time, learn only one time, and easy, difficult, and all no. Learn in one shot properly. Okay. Got it.
Excuse me, sir.
Good.
Can you please suggest me which is the best NIT or IIT college to do MTech to grab the experience level knowledge?
See, IIT or NIT. See, normally any colleges will be there, right? Top tier colleges. Do you think company person will come and teach? No. They're all college faculties. Correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, at college faculty level, you cannot expect any practical this one. Only what the why the tier one company means product company will go to the one means you are an excellent engineer. I mean IIT person, if any person got cracked IIT, what do you mean by that? Among all the engineers in the India, okay, they are the top creamy layers. Correct. That was the reason they will have, because their IQ level, their thinking, everything will be innovative. Correct. Their processing and all will be innovative compared to the normal engineers. Now, if you want, you are telling like to get into the MTech, what should I need to do? Okay. See, you cannot select. You can, I mean, you if you even do the money, if you pay the money or anything, you'll never get into the IIT. Only way is the gate. You need to crack your gate exams. Once you crack the gate exam, then you will be eligible to get into IIT. Because you have done the BTech, now you are asking for MTech. So for MTech, only way is that via the gate.
Yes, sir. I got that point. Sir, I'm asking that which is the best place to get the practical knowledge. I have heard that then IIT's WIT college is giving the real-time practical knowledge
No,
in VLSI domain.
no,
So
no, no,
I'm looking for
100%.
the
See, if your question was that to get explored practical knowledge, you need to come to the any institute only. The fact is that only. Why? Because I'll tell you. See, any college faculty, okay, IIT, NIT, VIT, MIT, VIT. Do you think any company people who will go and teach there? Samsung will be okay. Samsung may send one representative. Do you think for entire 6 months they will send their employee to teach in a
no,
VIT? No, practically not possible at all. Samsung hired a person to get their work done, correct? Not to train any BIT or MIT or VIT, correct? Okay. So, max to max, they will come as a guest lecturer for you. Guest lecturer means what? 1 day, 2 day, or 3 days. Correct. Not beyond that. Keep in mind. Okay. So, then who will teach you in a college level? Your college faculty. Correct. Do you think college faculty have a real time knowledge? No. Impossible at all. Whatever they know in a book, they will read that book only, and according to that, they will teach. Okay. So, in order to get a practical knowledge, obviously, you need to step into the institute only. You got it?
okay, sir. Thank you.
So, what happened? If you go to IT domain, they will tell you we are hiring fresher. But in VLSI, what is the opening? What they will tell you? What they will write in LinkedIn? We are hiring fresher, or we are hiring what? We are hiring trained fresher. We are not hiring fresher. We are hiring what? Trained fresher. VLSI have this quote on correct. So we don't need any fresher. Trained means you need to get into the some institute. You need to learn from them only. You try your best. This you will not find any YouTube channels for this. Okay, one or the other topic you can get it. Okay, there is no proper YouTube channel. See, example, if you want to learn Java, there are huge YouTube channels are there. If you want to learn C or anything, these are R&D domains. Okay, so hardly bits and pieces you can find it, but how to learn each, okay, example I'll tell you. Verilog, okay, you'll get a YouTube channel. Verilog, you'll get a YouTube channel. UVM, you'll get a YouTube channel now. Now the question comes, okay, script separately you can learn it. Okay, but now where do you script in your VLSI? For me, one channel. Where the self scripting will be used? For me, one channel. No. So bits and pieces you can learn. Okay, but which to be used, where and all kind of application oriented learning? No, you will not find it at all. Even a single website. Got it? Clear? So always keep in mind. Okay, see, you need to target to an experience level knowledge. Okay, basic never ever touch. You need to be get trained only as an experience level. Else, you try your best, you will never get a job. VLSI industry is very narrow domain or very small domain. Correct. Now, see, when compared to IT have this much huge opening. VLSI will have half of, not half, even compared to IT, VLSI have less opening. Do you agree? In that also, you'll tell like I will learn only this. Do you get a job? And they are all high paying domain. Semiconductor high paying domains. You can imagine. Okay. So you need to learn advanced level only, then only a jobs you can expect. Else, people are there who are taking training for 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 year, and all. I'll just give you one small example. Now, just recently, Wipro Drive has been held. Okay. From so many institutes, so many people got selected. From our institute, we are the only one who are 20-25%. The person who completed engineering in which year? 2025. Among our entire list, if you take it, he was the only person whose year of passport was what? 2025. In your batch, only Manjesh is there. Okay. And his passport year is 2025. And other all the people 2024. Why I said this one? Because what happens? This is a domain. Okay. You need to sit for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year to get a job. People in other place you can check. Okay. They are taking a training for 1 year, 2 year, and all. Then so who took a training at 2024? Now their placements are getting started now. Now, if you get enrolled anywhere, 25 people, your placement will start in 26 only. Okay. But what we do, I'll do complete reverse engineering. Okay, I never believe in forward engineering at all. So I'm not a US person, I'm a China person. Okay. US will do forward engineering, China will do reverse engineering. Okay. So if you go and you'll get a clarity that what other people will teach. Example, digital Verilog, Verilog. Okay. My way of will be completely ulta. My intention is only one to first start the interview. Okay. If you do the reverse engineering, you can start your interview very quickly. However, you'll get a clarity going ahead. Got it. So here I myself recommend everyone here. Okay. So that was the reason. It's a 24/7 institute. Okay. Example, this guy. Okay. He was in the institute only throughout yesterday. Night also. Okay. See what happened. It's a 14 hours per day we will expect. Then only we can start your placement in 1 month of the joining. 14 hours per day, what? Almost 300 to 400 hours of class in there. Okay. And keep in mind, and course will be needed of 6 months. 6 months will be minimum needed. Because what happened? Everyone will do 2 hours per day. We do 14 hours per day. They also need 6 months. I also need 6 months only. The reason is that their syllabus and my syllabus is totally different. Okay. I not even trained as a fresher. I trained only as an experienced. Okay. Clear? Just any doubt, let me know. If you have any general question related to your This one, let me know, or slowly I'll get into the topics. Anyone have any? See, one more question people were asking. Nitin, okay, they a quick interview, introduction I'll give and I'll move on. In a, people will ask, hey, man, I have done IT, I have done, okay, no, sorry, I have done engineering. Now, which one I need to select, IT or VLSI? See, ultimately, finally, everyone will measure you by the money only. I'll just give you an example. Okay, real time example only. Now, my girlfriend went into the IT and I am into the VLSI. Okay, what is the package? My girlfriend, like a husband, okay, is less than mine. Okay, even leave it. You multiply with a factor of 2 also. Then you can imagine. They are now at 20-25 lakh package. Okay. Because obviously, and keep in mind, 1 year more experience than me, 1 or 2 years, because I did MTech, she did BTech. So experience level, if you count, higher experience, and I have a lower experience. Okay. Package is completely reverse. Got it. So you can think what will be your IT package if you are planning for IT. Okay, if you are planning for real estate. Project as there's a 4 year, why don't we give us that much money? See, first of all, okay, I'll tell you. See, one thing, see, why the pressure will not get a 4 year level? Okay, look, okay, I'll just give you one small answer. Okay, listen, okay. You try your best, okay. What happened? Normally, see, 4 year they will project, okay, and you need to know the way of learning also, correct? If you are a real time pressure and you have been projected as 4 year, both are different. Keep in mind, a real time 4 year and projected as 4 year. Do you think both are same? Both are not same. Keep in mind. Okay. Your service company know what is your reality. Okay. But your product company don't know what is your reality at all. So product company to the service company, even projected or worth 4 years, they will pay the service company that much only. Your service company will not pay that much to you. Okay. Now you are telling them why they are not giving you a 4 year experience. Then obviously you tell me what the company will earn on a, because see, this is the institute. Okay. From here you'll get into the service. Here you'll get into the product. Okay. Which 4 year level example they get a billing and 4 year they will give you what they will earn. Huh? What they will earn. People are there to do the social service. See, everyone want to go to grow their company. Keep in mind. And now you are telling why they will not give you a 4 year. Keep in mind. When you join any company, do it see service company example you will join in the month of January. Do you think immediately you will get a product company? Okay. 1 year, sometime 6 months, 1 year will happen. Okay. Example, you joined in the January 25. Correct. And almost like you got a product company in the month of January 2026. In 1 year, you have earned anything to the company. Correct. You are a big loss to the company only. Keep in mind. See, when your fresher will be hired, it's a big loss to the company. Nothing, no one will earn. Keep in mind. What happens? See, do you know any project to do? I give pressure. No. Correct. 1 year, what you will be doing? You will see. You will take even a chair, right? One seat. You will go to the company. You will wear it, their tag. You will sit in the company. Even one sitting area also will cost a huge to them because see, occupancy has been done. Okay, their rental will be happen. Floor charges will be there. Any corporate, you know how the pricing will be. It's about a square feet. How much square feet on the basis of square feet they will be rental will be charged. Okay. Any if you go to any this one On the behalf of corporate, they will be charged. Even if you are sitting in the company, that is also costing them again. Okay, you will go to the company, you will take their chair, you will use their laptops, and for entire 1 year, you use their tea, water, everything. Correct. Entire 1 year, you are a product. Means they'll not be earning a single rupee from you. Correct. That 1 year, it's like their investment on you. Correct. Their investment on you. So that was the thing. Again, they will recover from you only. Okay. Now, what happened in one? Now they 1 year. What happened? It's a return. It's an investment on you. Then when you work, that is the work. That time they will do the recovery from you. Okay. And tomorrow, after 1 year, you may launch the project. Again, you will come to the service company, right? Again, you may sit on a bench for 6 months, 8 months, and all. Correct. That time, who product company will pay you? You are not billing resource. Obviously, whatever you earned, from there only again they will feed you. Got it. So when you are a fresher, right? Someone previous batch, they went into the company, they earned and they given you the money. That was the reason you are getting 10,000, 15,000 salary. Now, when you get into the company, it's your job now to feed your next generation. Got it. See, obviously you get a peanut only. Okay. If you want a huge money, then you need to start the company. That's it. Okay. See, obviously it's a common thing. What happened? You are going from the pressure, they will be projecting you as an experience. Correct. When they are projecting you as an experience, okay, what happened? Entire 1 year, there will be an investment on you. Okay. See, now I'll just tell you one thing. Now our student got hired for HCL. Okay. They are getting a salary of 50,000 per month. For next 6 months, okay, they will never be deployed for any client. Okay. That time what? Almost like a 3 to 4 lakh rupee already lost. Then what happened? They will send you as a buffer resource, first of all. Okay. First, try to understand buffer resource or shadow resource. Okay. You know how your billings will start? See, if you join January 2025, okay, by example, Jan 2026, what happened? They will train you something with some stuff or anything. Okay. Or training in what? In any corporate world, they will tell you need to complete this task. That's it. No one, don't think anyone will come and teach you. That will not happen at all. Okay. In 2026, what happened? You are from the same company, there is a 5-year experience example or 10-year experience person will be there who is working in example Samsung. Okay. With him, they will send you, okay, Lokesh, correct. Lokesh will be sent along with him only. Okay. Now, what happened? They will tell to the Samsung, he is a helper. Okay, will not call a helper or not call a assistant. Instead, we use a word called buffer resource or shadow resource. Okay, what they will tell to the Samsung, hey, Samsung, listen, they have huge workload. So we are sending a Lokesh. You don't pay for Lokesh, that is, we will take care from our side. Okay, you just pay for Nitesh. Okay, that is how Lokesh will be posted to the Samsung. Okay, he is a non-billing resource. Now keep in mind, Nitesh is a billing, he is a non-billing resource. Okay, now with the Nitesh help, Lokesh will learn in next 3 months, 4 months, how the Samsung, see, company to company, again the entire architecture will be different. Okay, with Nitesh help, Lokesh will learn the architecture of Samsung, how the things need to be worked and all. Now, once the Samsung will get a confidence that okay, Lokesh can do the work independently, then they will go to your company. Okay, now onwards, Lokesh is a billing resource. They'll tell you the HCL, we will not be considering, we will not be taking Lokesh as a buffer. We will give him a separate kind of a work. That day onwards, you will get billing resource. Now you tell me, Lokesh, 6 months, you again went, right? Product company paid you anything? No, right? Company is feeding you. Correct. They will do Chama Chiva. No one will do Chama Chiva. Keep in mind, nothing comes freely. everything will come with a cost only. Okay. You are 1 year, you sat in the company. That's a big loss. You went into the Samsung. Again, it's a loss to them. Okay. But you are getting a payment every month, right? How the payment will come then? Okay. If they when you will be sent at 4 years, whatever the billing you will do, no, whatever that time onward, they will start earning on you. Keep in mind. Is it clear? I hope I have answered your things very clear. So these are the things will be happen. Clear. Let me know if anyone have any doubt. Any other general doubts anyone have? Anyone wanted to know? Okay, one more last thing which people may avoid asking. So many people. Okay, see which is better, IT or VLSI? I think already you got a clarity. Okay, now my students are taking a package of 70 lakh, 80 lakh. Okay, it's all common number. Okay, once you get into the industry, sure you'll get it. Okay, with your experience level. Next, here, see, health and all. If you think nothing, wealth will come. They are all silly things. Okay, don't. Okay, if you want health, then you need to have dry fruits. Sit at home. Okay, don't do work. That's it. Simple, correct. So if you want your identity, okay, obviously, if anyone is paying 20 lakh, 30 lakh, okay, why should he care? Correct. Common, okay. So always look at, keep in mind, whenever you get into any company, okay, don't project yourself as any this one. Okay. Whenever see, obviously he's paying 20 lakh, 30 lakh. Do you think if I give so much pressure to him, he will get diabetic? Why should company will bother? No one bothers. Correct. He's thinking for future. Man, future means what? Nothing. I'll tell you. Get into the. I'll tell you. Okay. If you want your future to be secured, first see the new which state government is giving everything free. Get yourself settled there. Everything you'll get it free. Then you can maintain your health. Correct. Because obviously when you work somewhere else, you will get some health problem. Correct. If you don't want to get health problem, get settled somewhere else where everything you'll get it free. Okay. So that all we cannot think. Obviously, man, see, no one cares what is your health and all. Okay. If I'm paying you, I want you to work for that only. Okay. If you are cared so much, then obviously you this kind of reasons if you tell on the day one, no, obviously no company gonna hire you. Because see, they don't want to hire you. Okay, you need their job. Correct. If you not come, there are huge people, you just see your back, huge people can pile up in the queue. Okay. See, health and all will come second. Okay, this is what you need to know. Okay, see. Okay, literally, if the same question will be asked, people will be get irritated, act like matured. Beyond the, I cannot tell anything. Okay, okay. See, something, okay. See, don't, see, one thing keep in mind, whenever you, something tells you, see, they are college eras are gone. They are professional world. You are a professional world. You need to behave like a professional only. Correct. If anything comes like very silly, okay, your colleagues will start learning on you. Okay, no problem. Okay, see, I cannot entertain any beyond this. Okay, chalo. Okay, chalo. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, let's not talk on this. Okay. Okay. One thing always, whenever you get into the company, your behavior have judged it. Okay. So when you are into the professional world, always keep in mind you need to behave like a professional only. Any unprofessional behavior, obviously, what happens? It it leads to your means during a hiring or anything. Okay, easily they'll get to know. Okay, and no one will wants. See, do you want to hire any unprofessional behavior? No. So keep in mind, college things attitude. This you need to leave all this. You need to move ahead. Okay, because what happens? They are professional world. People will start looking at you, they will start laughing on you. Okay, you cannot make yourself mocked in front of other people. Okay, so keep in mind, even see, I'll just tell you one thing. Okay, whenever you step into any company, okay, when you talk, keep keep yourself mature such enough that okay, whatever the questions I'm asking, okay, will it really make any sense or not? Okay. Now one simple thing I'll tell you. One person said like, okay, this coding shall I mug or shall I learn? What do you think this question is? This coding, I mean, shall APP code shall I mug or APP code shall I learn? What do you call this? This kind of question? Immature thing, correct? You are not here to mug anything. Okay, you need to learn only. Okay. See, if you ask this thing, once you get hired or anything, obviously high chances will be there. See what happen, when you are hired, they will call a probation period. What do you mean by probation period? On your behavior, we will hire you. We will not commit you that we will be going to hire you. 6 months, I will take you, I'll check your behavior, I'll check your knowledge. If you fit, then only I'll be going to hire you. This is what? Okay. Do you think, okay, man, HCL has sent an offer letter, now I'm a HCL employee. Nothing, man. You are still in a probation period. Probation is observation period. Okay. During observation period, your immaturity, okay, your lack of knowledge in any subject, all lead to they will not convert you. After 6 months, they will send you home. Okay. Clear? And unnecessarily arguing anyway. Okay. Keep in mind, you are a fresher, don't have a college attitude. Okay. Leave everything, be a very simple, gentle enough. Okay. Clear? Beyond this, we cannot. Okay. Because see, unagree is disturbing. Okay. Chalo. Anyway, see, anything. See, if health get upset, mean what to tell? Okay. If I get sugar tablet, who will give? They are giving money, you buy sugar tablet. Correct. Or go to Aushadhi Kendra, PM have free Aushadhi Kendra and all. Get it from there. Beyond this, I don't know. Like, see, this kind of behavior, don't keep it. Okay. You will be the one who will be ruining your life. Do you think this kind of nonsense thing, if you ask, you are the one who need to pay for it? Okay. See, if anyone want like, no, I want a free, okay. Now, whichever I say no, go to any Anatha Ashram or you begging jobs or anything. Okay. There you can get it. Yeah. Obviously, if they are paying you, okay, maintaining your health and a work-life balance is your headache. Company will not even take care of this. Okay. You need to know the work, how to get it smart done. I'll just tell you one more. Okay. Qualcomm is a company. Okay. See, just one small example I'll tell and I'll move on. Okay. When I was in a Qualcomm, okay, normally Qualcomm company been known for hectic pressure. Hectic pressure like pressure means Qualcomm only. Okay. There I was handling almost 5 projects. Okay. Those 5 projects I was easily okay, they are talking about COVID time. Okay, you trust or not, I was used to work only 2 days in a week. Remaining days I never used to work. Why? Because I was knowing a scripting, automations. Okay. Whatever my colleague also was there, Kiran, okay. She used to handle only one project. Okay. And in the same 1 week time. So how I was able to manage more projects? Because I know the things to be get smarter. Okay. So you will be taught that only. Okay. Throughout next 6 months, how to get your work smarter. Okay. That is what you will be learned. Got it. Any doubt? So you need to know how to make your work smarter. Okay. Okay. Last one more thing I'll tell and I'll move on. Okay. See, people say, ask the hospital. Okay. Can I say in a VLSI which domain I need to go for? Okay. Front end or back end. Okay. In front end there is RTL design. There is RTL verification. Okay. Or normally instead of RTL you call the better because there is a GLS verification, there is a SOC IP subsystem verification. Let's call it verification. That's it. Then custom design, custom layout, analog design, analog layout, PD, physical design. The physical layout is the physical layout. Analog mixed signal, AMS, DFT, okay, STA, Specman, okay, analog design, analog layout, custom layout, physical layout, AMX, DFT, STA, Specman, then post silicon validation. See, normally, if example, I want to develop any chip and I need 100 engineers, then obviously 70 engineers will be hired here only. And backend means only 30 engineers we will hire. Okay. Among them, 60 engineers we will hire in where? Only verification. 60 engineers can be there. If it is RTL design, 10 engineers can be there. Okay. Now custom design, custom layout, one or two openings. Everywhere one or two openings. Yeah, if I may open maybe there one opening. See what happened? People will tell now, okay, man, okay, physical design. Try your best, get a job in 2 years. Okay. If you take a PD, and even if you get a job in 2 years, go to your home goddesses will be there. You do that puja and all. Okay, that luckily you got a job in 2 years. See, getting a job itself in a 2 years is next to impossible. Okay, PD and all. Why? Because see, people in that I know there is scope. Man, where you will bring the scope? Tell me. Okay, it is as good as if you are talking in a very foolish manner. See, I started one school. Okay, teacher. How many teachers we have? For example, I started a new school. Okay, I may have 20 teachers. Okay, example, watchman. How much watchman I need? One. Similarly, PD. How many engineers can you do? Watchman, if I tell line on the watchman, I'll do there is huge scope. What scope? One watchman we need. Correct. If you tell like I'll get a job, man. See, keep in mind, always keep in mind, ratio is there. Okay. Okay. For PD, we don't have that much huge requirement at all. Okay. When the requirement is not there, from where you will bring the job? Okay. See, normally people will tell PD. See, PD, first of all, what job they will do, one simple thing I'll tell you. For any building, you will be having an engineer, correct? In one building, if I want to construct, how many engineers can be there? One engineer, enough, correct? What the engineer will do? What your engineer will do? This person also will do the same thing. One. See, example, I have 30, 40 cells. I also have a chip of 1 mm by 1 mm. Yeah, 30, 40 side. 1 mm by 1 mm chip I'll give it. Their chip, their site. What your architecture will do? You'll tell him, man, my 30-40 sites are there. Please give me the how the plans and all. What your engineer will do? Okay, the example Agni Mool, Kuber Mool, okay, Vayu and what? Dev Mool. Dev Mool, Agni Mool, Kuber Mool, Vayu. Then what happened? According to this, okay, he will tell, okay, your kitchen need to come here. Agni Mool only your kitchens will come. Okay, Kuber Mool, your master bedroom will be there. Okay, like that, he will give all the, okay, your toilet need to come here, your hall need to come here, your entrance need to be like this, and all he will give you. That is what we call as placement. Correct? Which thing need to be placed? He will tell that. Okay, master bedroom need to be placed in this corner, toilet need to be in this corner, kitchen need to be in this corner, and all. Or he hall open, your door need to be opened in this direction and all. Correct. According to that, they will tell. See, if you tell me what happened, I'll open the door anyway. Man, you just think your sun will rise in this direction. If you keep your door open this side, what happens? Your home will be always in the darkness. It's a common sense, correct? What happened? People will tell no, Vastu is not about Hindu or Muslims. It's a basic about nature. How the nature will do, according to that, you need to construct your home. Okay. When sun is rising this side, you will keep your door here or here. This side, correct? Okay. If you tell no, I'll keep it here means meaningless. Okay. So that all the things you need to keep in mind. That is why the placement will become very important. Correct. So placement is done. Next. Next, after the placement, what happened? Your electricals need to be done. Correct. Electrical wiring and all they will do. And finally, they will have one big MCB or something here. Correct. Or meter board. That is what we call as what? Routing. Correct. Now come to your chip. In the chip also, you will have a lot of devices. Okay. Lot of devices you have. Which device need to be placed where? That all will be done in what? Placement. In the placement, which module need to be kept where? That is done in the placement. Then routing, electrical routings you need to take care. Now, how many people you need here for entire your building? One person. How many I need here? One. You get more jobs to do. See, when at least in 2015, like that time, at least for one project, one PD engineer we used to have. Now for 5 projects, 6 projects, one PD engineer are doing. You keep in mind, where always do some proper research. Okay. Or better, I'll tell, go to IT. You'll get a job. Okay. If you not do the research properly, nothing. They here play. Okay. Where you need to reinvest the money. That is the only option you have. Okay. See, if anyone have a doubt, hey man, this is not there, please go to LinkedIn. Double check. What you need to check, how you need to check, I'll tell you very simple. Go to LinkedIn. Example, you may be interested in physical design. Physical design, pressure. 3 words you put. And then there will be one button called post. You check the post. How many posts you got in 1 year, you need to check. Total 1 year. Then you'll get that how many openings are there in that domain. Then similarly, you put verification and check the pressure. How many openings you got throughout in 1 year, that you check. Then you will get this ratio. Got it? See, so whenever you choose any domain, it's all up to you, but choose proper domain. Or, see, they will tell like, I want to go to semiconductor and I need a easy. See, easy or difficult, first think that you need a job finally. After 1 year or 2 years of your course, you need a job. Okay, do that domain, provide a job. If not, then better move to the IT. Okay, at least finally you will have something to feed your family. Feeding in what? Normally, keep in mind, 2 years minimum needed. Okay, 2 year, 3 year. Okay, I have seen an n number of batches who comes from PD again to the DBA. Time waste, money waste. Okay. Let's okay. The how the ratio will happen. Okay, keep in mind this ratio can never be changed at all. Okay, cannot like a PD. My friend I said, my faculty I said in the future PDO. Okay, what your faculty said? Tell me. Watchman, how when he will get scope? If you are developing a school, you will tell like a watchman one day. My sir I said watchman will post also will have huge opening. Will it come any point of time? Never ever. So my sir has said like India engineer, architect engineer. Do you think he'll get a huge opening for one building? One building, what? One only one job. Got it. So do this selection properly. So if all done, let's move to our technical. Now we will start with the first thing, digital. So keep in mind. Now whatever I'll be teaching a digital, it's not like what you learned in an engineering. Okay, I'll be clubbing your digital version Verilog. Okay, from this batch onwards. Okay, so you'll not be learning only digital that Verilog coding, how to do it. Then what happens? See, you should know and get 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 0 0 1 1 triple 0 1. You got it. Again output. Till now, you don't have any proof. Correct. But now onward, we'll see everything in a hardware. If I write like an AND gate, what will happen? Okay. See, you people completed your engineering, right? I'll ask you one simple basic question. What is this? Okay. What is this? A and B. What is this symbol? Okay. Imagine like A 1 0 1 0. Okay. And B in what you'll get in first, what you'll get in second. What is first one? First one the AND gate. What is second one? You have seen both the symbol or only one symbol you have seen in your life? Both.
Sir, I get it. I think it is logical and bitwise and I guess.
100% correct. One is a logical AND, one is a bitwise AND. Okay, how the operation will work? Again a question mark. Correct. So better now what we do, we will not study as a digital separator. That same thing digital we'll put in a Verilog. We will action. Okay, how the changes are happening. Half adder you have learned, half subtractor you have learned. That half adder we'll write in Verilog. Then now we'll see the behavior. Half full adder, full subtractor. Digital you complete, parallel you complete the Verilog part. Okay. One your digital concept will become strong. Parallelly, what happens? What you are writing for your Verilog, you'll get a clarity. Got it? So that was the reason. Okay. Previously, what I used to do, digital separately I used to teach, Verilog separately I used to teach. Okay. So now I have decided like no, I will not be doing separately. This batch onwards. Okay. Normally, what I'll tell you, what is my habit? When I teach SV, I'll do with UVM. Okay. When I teach Perl, I do parallelly Python. When I teach APB, I'll teach parallelly AHP or AHC. Got it? See, keep in mind. Now on this is what all I used to do, but now this year or this batch onwards, okay, it will be going to like this. Example, now this number system. Okay, in number system also. See, if you have learned anything, where is the application now onwards you need to see, right? Because there is a course where you need to see anything. Where is the number system? Binary I have learned, hexadecimal, octa. Okay, can you show me that here? Yes, obviously, definitely. All that things we'll be going to study there. Okay. So we'll start with your digital. Okay, from the digital one to whatever the digital you will be learning, keep in mind the same thing you need to replicate now everything in what? Verilog coding. Okay, I think if you learn like this, obviously you will your foundation will be very strong. Correct. One side theoretically it will be very strong. One side what happens? Coding. Okay, and you can correlate easily. You said like D flip flop, T flip flop. What is asynchronous D? What is asynchronous D? No, no idea. Counter you said P show, C show, C po. Correct. That also. Johnson counters you said. Correct. Ring counters. Can't be doing a Verilog code. If you do the same thing, one side your coding will become very strong. Okay. And one side your theoretical will also be strong. Okay. Okay. So, this is what my agenda. Okay. I have said it very clearly. Now we'll go with that one. Okay. So, basic gates. Can you tell me what are the basic gates you have? We have and or NAND nor XOR XNOR XNOR. Okay. Not okay. Some people have buffer also. Buffer is also one kind of a gate. Clear? So these are the gates. What we will do now? I think I will not spend more time. I don't want to spend more time. Okay. Okay. What shall I write here? 0, 0, 0, 1. What shall I write here? 0, 1. Okay. Next one. What shall I write? XOR. Okay. 0. Next. Next. Okay. Next. 9 dial. What shall I write? 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. What people are asking is why don't you do one thing? You keep him next to him only, no? It will be easy for me to write. Okay. Okay. Then you tell me A. What shall I write here? 1. Okay. Next A. What shall I write here? XNOR. See, these are the gates where you need two inputs. Okay. What about not? Two inputs or a single input? Unary or binary? Sorry, like two variables or what? One variable. Okay, correct. A is the not of A. 0 if you give, 1 if you give, 1 0. What about buffer? 0 1 0, 1 means 1 only. That's it. They are two input devices, like they are the two input stuffs. They are what? How many? What about not and buffer? Single input or two inputs? Single input. So you make a note of all this. Then we'll move on coding and all. Okay, I'll give it 2 minutes time. Okay. Then you make sure symbol and all you know very well, correct? And gate, and gate. You just write the symbol also. See, Gaurav, do one thing. See, actually, what happened? I'll tell you one thing. Yesterday, I was having one chat with one of the PD engineer only. He worked in Samsung. Okay, he worked in Samsung. Okay. Now almost he's telling like due to health reason I came out. Okay. Keep in mind what happened. PD and all, you try your best. Okay. To him only, I mean, he said like I wanted to make my brother to be get. Okay, I'll just make one things to be read. Okay, you people can read. Just give me 1 minute here. One. He, he was telling like I need for my brother. Okay, and he himself after 2 years he came out. Okay, from the smart shop to the Samsung, he came out. Okay, now he said like due to some health reason. I said leave it. Okay. Now you get your job again. Leave about your brother. First you get a job now in next at least 2 months. You show me. PD getting job it should be a Herculean task. He already worked in Samsung. Okay. Now I said you try your best. Now get into the PD again. Okay. You see how many months you will take for you. See PD what happened? Less opening charges. Okay. See no one can change the demographic. Okay. PD one engineer I need for a project. Only one engineer. Okay. I cannot make here two engineers. I cannot fit two engineers there at all. Okay. So always try to understand which work need how much people. Okay. We accommodate only that much people only. Clear? So see, PD works are not that much huge. Keep in mind. What the PD engineer will do? Placement, routing. That are the major league work they will do. Now those works also will be done by EDA tools. Okay. Synoptic, Mentographic, those tools will automate major thing for you. Your role is very minimal now. Got it. Got it. But DV, see, our will be, we have a huge pile of support. That was the reason, huge openings we have it. And that was the reason you will get a huge payment also. Compared to the PD engineer, payments is more for DV engineer. Among all the VLSI, highest paid is the DV only. Keep in mind. Why? Because you need to have a huge skill set. Okay. Obviously, you think, okay, the person who have a less skill set, the person who have more skill set, whom you will pay more? More skill set person, you need to pay more only. So PD, what happens? If in a company, if you have a more work, it's because not one project, they will give you 5 projects, 6 projects, 7 projects. Then obviously, but DV engineer will not handle more than 2 projects. Because he had 2 projects, he already huge piled up. He hardly handled 1 or 2 projects. If you are a functional verification engineer, okay. And I was handling almost 5 projects because I was in a QSAM team, that is a different team. If you are in HOT verification engineer, then hardly handle 1 project or 2 projects, not beyond it, beyond this. Okay. Even if you are 7 year, 8 year, 10 year, 12 year, 1 or 2 projects, or max to 3 projects. Got it. Because we have our own works, huge works will be there. Any doubt? Chalo, can we move on? So I don't think I need to spend more time on digital. These all you know very well, correct symbol and all you know very well. Can we directly now start the same thing in a coding part? Okay. No, Gaurav, you need to handle. Okay. What happened? You need to allocate your resource such a way that example what happened, how to handle. I'll tell you. Example, imagine, okay, I'm working on one HDMI protocol. Okay. I'll just give you idea how you will be handling. Okay. From a project. What the company will normally will do? Okay. You are handling HDMI in a project. in B project HDMI also they will give you only, because you can do that work way better compared to other people. Correct. Now what happens if you are doing a one debug here? You give a run. Now you got a free, because see, you will do the some bug, you got it. You will fix it. You will fix and you will give a run. If you give a run, do you think you will get a run completed immediately? No. It takes 1 day, 2 days and all time. Okay. If example PCI, I was handling the PCI 5 layers, I was handling. Today if I give a run, I will get my Monday. If I give a run, Friday what I will get output. Then what shall I do from Monday to Friday? Shall I play carom? No, right? That time you need to work on your second project. Okay. Then you debug 1 or 2 test case. Okay. Parallelly, the moment it will complete, you will debug and then you need to move to your other project. Example, if you are in a third project. There also, example, they may give you the USB. Example. This is also similar to the HDMI because this is also a display device. Or this is also a display device. Example, or in HDMI, you may be working version number 2 less than 2.1. Here they may give you HDMI version greater than 2.1 or USB. Okay. Now USB also, if you take, there are different types of USB channels. Okay. So now you need to handle that same thing in a project 3. Got it? How you need to handle? Okay. Or if you know one more project called example, you are good with USB, then USB in that project won't have HDMI. Then you maybe need to work with USB. Okay. When you debug, when you given a run, okay, they are also running, they are about to complete. Now you started. In the meanwhile, you debug this one. Is it clear? You need to know. But how limited time? See, one thing keep in mind, it's a time you need to balance out. Okay. So what happened, even when I give a run, normally, even a weekends will not waste, We'll do some kind of debug till Friday and again we'll give a run on Friday night, Friday evening. So that Saturday, Sunday the run will complete. Monday again I can start my work on that. So keep in mind, even you don't think like, even if you are not working, it will make that my code will be keep working on. So any experience if you take it, okay, it's not like Monday to Friday. We never have Monday to Friday. It's a Monday. Throughout all the week we need to work. It means what? On Saturday, if any problem I occur, I'll just do a 1 or 2 minute fix. Example. If it takes more time, obviously I'll do on a weekdays. If it takes less time, I'll do quickly debug and I'll run it. So that what happens, my Saturday and Sunday not get wasted. Okay. And always one thing keep in mind, script if you know, huge, means you can leverage your time like anything. Okay. If you want, obviously you need to work in multiple projects. You don't have any scope. Okay. Keep in mind, company will never hire more people. They want, obviously, with limited resource only, they want to run, correct? See, one engineer, if example, 6 years, 7 year experience, 50 lakh rupees, 60 lakh rupees, they need to give. With him only, they will get 2 projects, 3 projects out done. Correct. So, try your best to learn what smarter way. Okay. Different tools you learn, different languages you learn, different way to get the things automated. Okay. If you know all this, then 100% work-life balance will be there. If you think everything I'll do manually, work-life balance will never be there at all. Now, yeah, one more thing. Now, these gates are done. Okay. Now what happened? Anyway, theoretically you have done everything. Now you need to learn one tool called GVim. Okay. In GVim, you need to learn to code. Okay. See, theoretically you know what is AND gate, NAND gate and all. Now you need to write a code. Where you will write a code? Notepad, Microsoft PowerPoint, Paint. Where you will write a code? GVim. GVim is the tool where you need to start writing your code. Okay. Clear? Now, quickly, I'll just tell you. You type gvim file info. If you are already enrolled, we have already given you the software. You need to download the software. Okay, go here and download it. It hardly takes 1 minute. Okay, how to install? It's a normal installation. Anyone can do it. Next, over. That's it. Okay, you can use the website file info, gvim file info. This is the website. If you are a master, if you are already enrolled, we already given you the tool. If you are not have a tool, you can get it from there also. Okay, go to your Google. Okay, type file info gvim, because this is the place where you will get a latest version of the gvim always. Okay, and download and install. Okay, can't I use gvim from different websites? No, because you don't know that in the gvim also there is something called gvim is there. gvim portable is there. Okay, so mistakenly you will download the portable. Okay, portable means what? They have a less features. Keep in mind. So gvim file info is standard. Okay, which I followed from here. Okay, download gvim from file info. Okay, and question. Okay, that is what I again needed. Tomorrow onwards we'll start the coding. So you need this one gvim to keep it, and question also I need. Question. So while coming tomorrow, make sure you need to carry your laptop, and question also need to be get installed. Okay, so you can check with admin like Abhita how to install, or you have a video to get it installed. So by tomorrow when you come, question also need to be installed in your laptop. Okay, now let's say what you will do in gvim. gvim is called a editor. Editor means what? Where you will write a code. Okay. See, let's say I didn't get, no problem. If you didn't get, what is PDF? You tell me. And what is Adobe Reader? Okay, leave it. What is Excel? What is Microsoft Excel? Can anyone tell me? Okay, leave it. What is PPT? What is Microsoft PowerPoint? Can you tell me the relation between these two people? PDF is a type of a file. To open that file in a read mode, if you want to do the reader, what will you use here? PowerPoint you will use here? What do you use? Adobe Reader. PPT is a kind of a file. Will you use Microsoft Excel to open that? Microsoft Word? PowerPoint. Got it. So these are the file type. They what? Tools to open. In a maybe PowerPoint you are a tool to open what? PPT types of file. To do what? Read or write operation. Either you can read from the PPT, or in order to write also you need to use what? PowerPoint only. See. Similarly, Verilog, System Verilog, UVM is also file extension will be SV only, or C, or your Perl, or your Python, or your Shell. These are the different languages you will be using it. Once again, let me just repeat. Dot V means which language? This. UVM is also ends with what? SV only. Then what? C, Perl, Python, Shell. These are the languages you will be going to use it. In order to, for all the languages, which is the tool you need? Okay, if you want to write any Verilog code, System Verilog code, UVM code, C code, Perl code, Python code, Shell code, or even if you want to write any love letter in a VLSI, still you need to use what? GVM only. Okay. Any normal text format. Text means what? Some notes you want to write. Okay. Anything you need to use what? GVM only. Clear? Any doubt? So these are the tools. These are the file type. What is this? File type. And what is these people? Tools. Got the difference? What is this one? Oh, next thing. Now, what online students are asking me, the notepad, word pad. Can't I use notepad? In engineering, I have used notepad. Can't I use word pad? Use it. Who is stopping you? No one is stopping you. Okay. See, I'll use the notepad. Okay, just give me 1 minute. A dot V. Okay, the one file is there. Verilog file. Okay. Module ABC function DEF end function end module. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, you want a WordPad, right? What you said, WordPad or Notepad? Okay, Notepad, correct? Hello, Notepad also I'll open. WordPad also I'll open. You decide what you need. They get Notepad, they get GVM. Which one? Why Notepad? What is your problem for your Notepad? See, I'll show you one thing. See, imagine like I have done one type of mistake. I have removed. Okay. Here also I have removed ID. But what happens in GVM? Color got changed. Immediately your eyes will catch, okay, there is some mistake I have. Now in Notepad you tell me. You find where is the error? No. See what happens? See, girl without a makeup, girl with makeup. Okay. So obviously what happens? When anything with a makeup, already it's always good. Correct. So what happens? Always here what happens? GV means what happens? If you write any keyword, the highlights will color will change. Okay. You have lot of shortcuts here. Okay. Imagine like I want to comment everyone. In one shot, I comment. Comment here. Try your best. Comment. Okay. Now my student will do like this. Now 10,000 line. Now you do. Will you comment like this? People will tell multi-line comments. See, some languages don't have multi-line comments at all. People will tell me, say, why you are doing like a police? I will do here like this and here like this. Man, some language support this one. Some don't have multi-line comments at all. Now what you will do? Where you have a single line comment, what you do? Will do that. Correct. So, GVM why we recommend means your coding will be very faster. Okay. The same thing if you want, you can use Notepad also, WordPad also. Okay. But Notepad or WordPad will give you this feeling. GVM will give you this feeling. Now you decide which one is better. GVM is better. So that is the reason you need to learn GVM. They say what is there to learn? Man, what is there to learn means there are n number of shortcuts are there. Okay, if you know shortcut, then only your coding will become a speed or it will not become a speed at all. Yeah. Now, see, I just use one shortcut. What? In one shot, I have commented everyone. In one shot, I will delete everyone. Okay. If I ask you, hey man, delete, what my student will do? He will come here first. He'll press backspace like this here. So they are all okay. If you want to delete 10,000 lines now, okay, if you press on backspace, what you do? You press any stone. Okay, because it will for 10,000 line it takes at least half an hour. Okay. Now how if you know a lorry driver and all, what they will do? You know, lorry driver they need to ride throughout the night. Okay. Normally, you know how the lorry accidents are more normally. Why? Why? Because you know what the lorry driver will do? They will take one stone and keep on an accelerator. This is the fact. You can, if you have any of your relatives, okay, they keep on an accelerator because they cannot press that continuously. Okay. They are just such that the accelerator will keep going because it need to work on 30 speed or 40 speed only. Okay. And they will keep on this one here and one leg is like this and one on brake. That's it. Okay. Similarly here also why I said because they keep a stone on an accelerator, you keep a one stone on your backspace to delete your 10,000 lane. Okay, you cannot do that one, right? So in GVM, we have a shortcut to get it completed. Got it? Okay, I'll do one thing. Tomorrow I'll teach one small GVM. Okay, just 5-10 minutes. Okay, how to write the code. Then immediately I'll explain you how the questions you need to see the code, how to run the code. Then immediately that entire code we will given. Okay. So because there are huge topics out there, I will be giving you some ready-made files so that so each and every file first I'll explain how to write a code and all. So I'll use a pre-data because I don't want to spend more time on class. Okay. I'll explain you each and every link. Then you can practice at your end also. Okay. Example and gate means and get all the gates. Then what is this you will be learning here? Logical. What you will be learning here? Up here the symbol. Double and. What is this? What is this? Correct. So I think you got what I wanted to convey you. Correct. You use this kind of symbol, but still you don't have a clarity. Tomorrow when we execute, you'll get a clarity. Okay, what is the difference it makes you? Okay. Now my student will tell anything. I'll use A and B. Here, see example A here. If you take A of 1 bit. Here you just see what I have written here. Here what I have written multi-bit. The 3 down to here means what? Single bit or multi-bit? Multi-bit. How your AND operator example will work on a single bit. You need to know how your AND operator will work on multi-bit. That also you need to learn. Okay. Clear? And with some examples. Okay. Let's see. For everyone, I have to five inputs. 5 input for A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C. We'll give a run. We'll see is it and behavior are happening properly or not. Once we see that, see, I'll just give you one small run. Okay, I'll just take 2 minutes time and I'll try to give you. Okay. I'll explain you how you need to write this file and all. So without the tool, don't if you come, obviously you cannot do anything. Okay, make sure you come with preference. Okay. So while coming now, make sure you install your tools and come here. It's not simply running. I'll just show you what all the things you need to upload tomorrow. This is called a waveform. Then you need to learn on the waveform also. Example. Now A 0, B is also 0. Then you see in AND gate what happens. 0 is there, 0 is there. What will you get? 0. Okay. Like that, you need to see in a bitwise and what will happen. Bitwise or what will happen. Okay. Logical and logical or logical not. See, example, they also and they also and. Both are same. Huh? Give me 1 minute here. What is this? And what is this? And you get results are same or different? Different. But see, tomorrow your job is that only. Okay, you need 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. So don't miss your tomorrow plan again. I'll just give me 1 minute here. See, I'll show you one here. Okay. A value is 0, 0, 1. P value is 0, 0, 1, 0. A of 0 and B of 0. 0th bit I'm talking. Single bit I said. First what I said? Single bit. 1 and 0. What do you get here? That is like a single bit operations that you need to see. This is called a log file. What do you need to tell? Log, L-O-G, log. You get log file. Log file means it will be, everything will be in a text format. You need to see the text format. Then you need to learn it's a waveform. In the waveform also you need to verify. Is it really happening or not? When I give 0 and 0, am I getting 0 or not? Then whatever the output you'll see, that output is it coming here or not? Waveform you need to check. Second. Third thing will be that, well, just give me 1 minute. Is it I have given a switch or not? Okay, just give me 1 minute. No, just I need a 1 minute and go. And don't think like I'll explain you AND gate separately or gate separately, not separately. No. One coding where all your gate will complete in one shot. No, 1 minute. What is this? You know these people? Correct. What do you call this? Schematic. Log file. Log means text format. Waveform means you have seen. This is called like what? Schematic. How your circuit will look like. Example, Nidhi, I didn't understand what is this. Man, leave it. What happened? Example, tomorrow if I ask you Mux, what happened? You'll write like this. Right? What is this? You have written, right? In your engineering, what is this? Schematic. Okay. So this schematic, if you want to see, that is this one. Okay. That output you have written, right? Mux output 0, 0, 0, 1. You have written like S0, S0, S1, 0. Correct? I0, I1 and all you have written, correct? This kind of output you can see in a log file. Then waveform. And third is what? Schematic. So all the three things we will. Okay, I'll explain for one or two things. Then you can recheck for everything. Got it? So finally tomorrow going, all the gates you need to complete, and that too with what? First, log. Second, you need to verify with what? Waveform. Third, you need to verify with what? Schematic. Log means what? English, plain English written. A0, B0 is what? Example 0, 0, 0 you'll get it. That 0 is what? Log. I'll get a waveform. Okay, waveform. Like this, like this. Okay, like this it will be a waveform. Then what? This is what? Schematic. Okay, one I'm getting. What is this? Log. What is this? Waveform. What is this? 1, 1, 1. Neither value will not come, value also can bring you. No need to worry. Got it? All the three things you need to learn. So keep in mind, let's not spend any time on installing a tools. Give him tools. I expect from you only to get it completed. To extra sim tool also you need to complete. If anyone faces a problem, please let me know. Okay, I'll help you. Or tool installation in every system, there is a tool installation folder is there. Refer that. Okay, how to install tools, we have explained there. Okay, you or else you can take a Abhita help or whoever are there, you can take their help. But come with a laptop. Okay, then I think let's wind up for the day. Tomorrow we'll continue. If
Sir,
anyone has, I'm good.
sir, you said script thing you will send us, sir. You will send
Yeah.
it tomorrow or today?
No. I'll send it. Okay, script and this one. I'll be sending you in notes. Okay. I'll send you that script and APG what I'm doing. Okay. Anyone, see,
Yes.
if any student have the, if anyone have any doubt, you can reach out to me like this. Okay. For any of your technique, for any of your like career or anything, if you have any doubt, whatever. Okay. So you can call me on this number. Okay. Or WhatsApp me on this number. Okay. So that I'll explain if any have, you have it. Right? Okay. We'll wind up for the day. We'll continue tomorrow. Same day.